And a sidebar.
Let's hear it.
If a man is trying to make you feel bad for being an independent woman making your own money, he is either jealous, insecure, or both. Because an independent woman can be kind, loving, caring, feminine, and respectful as any other woman.
Absolutely.
The only difference is we don't need your money. Which is the one thing that many emotionally unevolved men rely on to get and keep a woman under his control.
Facts.
So attacking you as an independent woman is an attempt to put you back in your place. That is beneath him and giving him what he wants and what he desires and what makes him happy only because he knows that you rely on him for your well-being because he is the only one that is providing the money.
Speak, Shauni.
Make your own money, sis.
If the only quality time your partner has to give you is when they think it's an opportunity to have sex, that is a transactional relationship, not a love one.
Right. Okay, next. If your partner comes bearing gifts, ooh, this seems so sweet. Okay? But not too long after that and start rubbing up on you, it wasn't because they were so sweet and they trying to just do something to make you happy. It was transactional. Okay? They brought you them gifts so they can get sex from you. Transactional.
All right, guys. So last but not all, conversational transaction. When your partner wants you to have a real conversation with them, and the only time they want it is when they want something from you, that's a transactional conversation.
Have you ever had a family member or somebody like that call you out of the blue? They'll never call you, right? Ain't nothing but two things about to happen there, okay? Either somebody died or they want something.
Facts.
And the only way to find out is to find out what they gonna say next, okay? Now, if they say, hey, how you been? How your family? They want some transactional communication. You gonna have to watch it outside your relationship too.
True.
Gotta watch, folks. You gotta watch. So we hope that you have a true love.
Yes.
We want that for everybody, right? But if you find that you have a transactional love, prepare your side eye.
That's right.
Okay?
Hit it with the side eye.
Hit him with that